Hi, this is Shamin here. Today I'm going to talk about hemoglobin Bohr effect. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So the presence of high partial pressure of carbon dioxide causes the hemoglobin to release oxygen, and this is called Bohr effect. So what is Bohr effect? Bohr effect, that is the presence of high partial pressure of carbon dioxide causes hemoglobin to release oxygen, and it's discovered in 1904. So high concentration of carbon dioxide are found in actively respiring tissues and which need oxygen, and these high carbon dioxide concentration cause hemoglobin to release its oxygen and even more readily than it would otherwise do. So high concentration of hydrogen ion means a low pH, and if the hemoglobin hydrogen ion were left in solution, what happened? Then blood will be very acidic. So blood will be very acidic, and by removing the hydrogen ion from solution, and hemoglobin helps to maintain the pH of blood close to neutral. So by removing the hydrogen ion from solution, and hydrogen helps to maintain the pH, and that is acting as a buffer. So carbon dioxide is continually produced by respiring cells and diffuses from the cells and into the blood plasma, from where some of it diffuses into red blood cell and in the cytoplasm. So what happened in the cytoplasm of red blood cells? And there is an enzyme. So what's the name of enzyme? That is carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase, you must remember that. What's the enzyme? Carbonic anhydrase. And hemoglobin readily combines with a hydrogen ion that is forming hemoglobinic acid. What's the acid? Hemoglobinic acid, and that is HHB, and it releases the oxygen which it is carrying. The net result of this reaction is twofold. So hemoglobin moves up in hydrogen ion, and which are formed when carbon dioxide dissolves. And so this diagram, the effect of changes in carbon dioxide concentration on hemoglobin saturation. So you can see this is partial pressure of oxygen kilopascal, and here is a saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. Here is a percentage: 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. So it's go like this. This line is high carbon dioxide concentration, and another line here, this is low carbon dioxide concentration. So this diagram shows the effect of changes in carbon dioxide concentration on oxygen transport. So here you can see this is partial pressure of oxygen kilopascal, and here saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. Here's a percentage, so this is same thing: 20%, 40%, 100%. And here is a two line. One line here is a dark line. You can see this is an active tissue, which active tissue such as contracting skeletal muscles. This section of this curve is the relevant one. So here you can see this is another dark line. This is the lung. In lung capillaries, this section of this curve is the relevant one. So this is the diagram. This is two diagram. This is dissociation curve for hemoglobin at two different partial pressure of carbon dioxide. So here it is. So yeah, in cytoplasm of red blood cells there is an enzyme. So that is the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. That is the enzyme. So that catalyzes the following reaction. You can see this is the carbon dioxide and water, and this is the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. So it's produce carbonic acid. All right, and carbonic acid dissociates. Here is a carbonic acid, and here is you can see hydrogen ion and hydrogen carbonate ion. Guys, I hope that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. If you need more class, Go to my website www.educatorsharmin.simplesite.com. That's all. Thank you very much.